Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. Don't worry, I don't want a nickel or a dime. All I want is a moment of your time to listen. My name is Louis Ageless Paulino, and I'm a spoken word artist that just graduated from DePaul University in Indiana. And I wanted to bless your day with a little bit of spoken word, so hopefully you can hear me.
This is Wall Street.
Bend me, mold me, break me, willingly take me to a new kind of slavery. Imprison me in the paradigm of the divine, interpreting conflict you might find while I play hopscotch with not seconds, but centuries of time. I want to create universal understanding from this rhyme, so please allow these calloused and burdened hands to methodically stroke your mind eye till you get erect, placing an unmanipulated spine back in your neck, reminding you of your choice to get up, stand up for your rights. So listen closely to the propane-laced nitrogen oxide fuel I put in the battery pack in your back, reminding you to don't give up the fight. So bend me, mold me, break me, willingly take me to a new kind of slavery. Lackluster images of intellectual soldiers never worth fighting for, mass-produced by military recruiters knocking on failing high school doors, leaving our future generation with an ultimatum that if you're not willing to sacrifice your life for others, we'll make you fight for yours. And these programmed toy soldiers are taught to leave limp, ice-cold, soulless, dead bodies of other people's children on political battlefield floors. And the only thing left to console you is a highly decorated soldier knocking at your front door, telling you never see your baby boy or girl anymore. So bend me, mold me, break me, willingly take me to a new kind of slavery. Forget being politically correct, because honestly, last time I checked, politicians would rather point the finger and let things linger in areas populated by minority youth, leaving out the truth that meritocracy and democracy are nothing more than hypocrisies. That is, unless, of course, you're middle class, you get a scholarship, or can afford to see the truth kept under lock and key at prestigious universities, battling the gatekeepers of knowledge telling you what to see, leaving you with fragments of reality, but faith-filled eyes can turn fragments into clarity. So bend me, mold me, break me, willingly take me to a new kind of slavery. How many people must suddenly burst into flames for you to be ignited? Does it take a society to tell you to correct the wrong, or do you have the power to stand on your own with God and right it? It doesn't take more than the knowledge of a sage to change your world, or the alacrity of a kid and to stay diligent to a new way of thinking the way Jesus did. God bless you all and thank you for listening. I know I'm loud and I can be a little obtrusive, but if you want to hear more of my work, you can go on Ageless Poet at youtube.com, Facebook, Twitter, or Gmail. Again, that's Ageless Poet at youtube.com, Facebook, Twitter, or Gmail. God bless you all. Have a happy new year. God bless you.